In this video, we learn to predict which ads users will click using transformed machine learning-ready data. Advertisers have vast data, but it must be structured to predict ad clicks. Ad prediction increases ROI through targeted delivery and higher engagement. Prediction models power personalized ads and improve user engagement. Tracking clicks across browsers and devices improves ad targeting. One-hot encoding creates separate columns for each category, marking presence with 1 and absence with 0. Ordinal encoding converts ordered categories into numbers, useful when the sequence or ranking matters. Logistic regression estimates whether a user will click an ad, giving a probability between 0 and 1. The model uses encoded data to learn patterns and assign weights, enabling accurate ad click predictions. It can predict yes or no clicks or choose the most likely ad from multiple options. Online learning updates the model in real time, keeping predictions accurate as user behavior changes. Low-latency, high-throughput systems are essential for scalable ad prediction on large datasets. Encoded data feeds a model that predicts clicks, helping deliver relevant ads and improve performance. These methods boost clicks and conversions while improving engagement and overall user experience. In summary, encoding data helps predict clicks, enabling better ads, improved ROI, and enhanced user experience.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.